Hello students, today I am going to discuss a very important topic of sorting, that is insertion sort. So what is insertion sort? It is a simple sorting algorithm that works the same way we sort playing cards in our hands. Like we used to play cards and we used to select the card in between and we used to arrange the cards. So like that we have to sort the element. This is the list which we have to sort using insertion sort. We have the element 12, 11, 13, 5 and 6 and the index number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the total number of elements here are 4, n equal to 4. So to sort the element I have made this program. In this program we have a class insertion sort. We have a method void sort where I have declared a parameter int ARR. This is the parenthesis which we are going to declare for array, and this array will contain n equal to 4. Int n equal to ARR length. This is used to find out the length of the array. Here I have made one for loop where int I equal to 1, I less than n plus plus I. This plus plus I is the prefix operator. So you know that prefix operator is plus plus I. Plus plus I means I plus 1. So here the element will increase one step ahead. Here this for loop will go till n element and n equal to 4. So it will go till n element means 4. First the value of I will be 1, then it will check is 1 is less than n, 1 is less than 4, yes 1 is less than 4, then it will increase. Then again the value of I will be 2, then again it will check is 2 less than n, yes 2 is less than n, then again it will increase and the loop will iterate till n equal to 4, means it will go till the number will reach I plus plus, means the value of I will be 4. Here I have made one key element. We will make a key element. This int key equal to ARR I. For example, I have made this 12 as I. So I will be key element, and through this I will compare all the other elements. J equal to I minus 1. J equal to I minus 1. The meaning of this, students, I have made some correction. Here j equal to I plus 1 means obviously you know that first position I is containing, so j would be one position after that I, means j would be I plus 1. So here in comment section you can see that it is move elements of ARR 0 to I plus 1 are greater than the key one position ahead. This is the key element. So this will be checked to 11. Is 12 is greater than 11? Yes, 12 is greater than 11. Then it will be swapped. Means 11 will be shifted here and 12 will be shifted here. So like that sorting will be done. Here we have written a while loop where j is greater than equal to 0. Ampersand ARR j is greater than key. So j is greater than equal to 0 means the first position until j will be greater than equal to 0. Ampersand means both conditions should be satisfied, and ARR j greater than key element. J should be greater than key element. Obviously the lower element at the first position, so j should be greater than the key element. So the meaning of this while loop is that until this loop is satisfied, inside while loop whatever we have written will go on until this condition will be true. ARR j plus 1 equal to ARR I, means every element we will check whether it is less than I or not. ARR j plus 1 equals to ARR j and j equal to j minus 1. So this loop will iterate continuously. Now ARR j plus 1 is equals to key, means after the first element will be shifted here in the first position, then the position of key element will be shifted to ARR G plus 1 means second position. Means the second element will become now key element. Now through this element, other element will be checked whether it is less than or greater than the other element. If it is less than the other element, then it will be swapped with the third element. Like that the sorting will go on. So this is the function to print array. I have made a method print array where I have passed a array as parenthesis. Int n equal to ARR length. This is used to find the length, as I told you. Here also I have made this line and here also. So I have again we have to check the for loop, and this line is for printing of the array. Means one by one it will print. One by one it will print first 12, then 11, and then it will check. First it will compare 12 to 11, then 11 will be shifted here, then 11 means 11 and 12. Now here is 13 and this is the key element. So now this element will be checked with this element. So you can see 12 is less than 30, so this will remain in this position, means it will be fixed here, no change will be here. But when this element become key element and it will be checked with this element, then there will be sorting, and then again with 6 the same process will go on, and with then again all the other element will be swapped to their specified position, means particular position, until all the list will be completely sorted. At the end of the program, I have made a main method where I have passed the elements, means these are the elements I have made earlier, that these are the elements which we have to sort. Insertion sort object equal to new insertion sort. I have told you that in method we need to make an object to call any method. Object.sort, we are calling this sort method ARR, print array ARR. So we are calling sort method and ARR, and as this method will run, we will get this list to be sorted over there in the screen. Whatever you are running, whether BlueJ or NetBeans, so whatever you are running, you will get this list in a sorted order. So once more I want to revise that. What is insertion sort? In insertion sort we used to sort any element by using a method in which we will make the first element as key element, and we will compare all the other element with the key element, and then again when the two element will be sorted and put in the exact order, then we will make the second element as the key element, and then again we will sort, and then the process will go on until the complete list will be sorted in ascending, or if you want to do in descending order, then the order will be changed, means in place of prefix operator you will use postfix operator. So I hope you will understand insertion sort. Thank you. Have a nice day.